When it comes to picking the sector that you're wanting to get involved in Dubai, there's a couple of rules that you should abide by to avoid any trouble that you might get into the future. First thing is this: Dubai is a highly competitive market to be involved in. And the reason for that is that it's a global trading hub. Logistically speaking, it's strong. Supply chains, it's strong. E-commerce, technology, construction, everything is here. And the best bit is some of the best minds across the world are locating here, and money is plentiful. So when it comes to getting things done, it can be done. The problem for yourselves is finding the gaps, finding the areas where you can go in and make your mark, okay? What I recommend is that if you have experience in an area already and you're looking to branch out on that and bring it over here, that is a good approach to do. Do something that you have a good idea in, okay? That's the first thing. Second thing is, if you're looking to start something new, the best way of approaching this is get a partner. If you're not going to get a partner, if you don't want to do 50-50 with someone to start the company, hire the people that you know will get the job done. So all you need to watch out is the invoices, the purchase orders, to make sure things are going through. Money's being carried through the right way. There's no pickpocketing going on. The other people will look after the operations piece. That's how you run a business. But if that is too uncomfortable for yourselves, you can always go 50-50 with a partner, business partner. The third thing is, a lot of the stuff is already readily available. So do your research. Look into it. What is there and what isn't there? And what can you piggyback off? The main thing that you're going to need regardless, no matter what you do, what you decide to do, you will of course need a business license. And setting up the business license in the right manner is critical. I've had too many horror stories of individuals setting up trade licenses and then they later found out it was fake, it was not valid, it was set up the wrong way, the wrong business activities was given. So many things happen like this. It's unbelievable. Don't let it happen to yourself. That's the message. So setting up your business trade license so you have the authorization to go and conduct business is another huge piece. And I actually always say this is the first major piece that you need to get done. Okay, so that's three things there. Let's look to the bigger picture. You're sitting in the United Kingdom, you're sitting in the European Union, and you're looking, do you know what? I want to get set up here. I want to do something, right? What's my steps? Steps are very simple. Pick and choose what area or sector you're moving into. That's it. Just pick your sector. You should have an idea already. Contact me. Let's have a discussion on setting up your business, the costs. And remember guys, it's very simple. £8,000 off a lesser setup, or 10,000 British pounds, up to roughly 12,000 British pounds if you're looking for something, a good setup, right? Access to government contracts and all that stuff. This is the kind of area that you're looking at. That's your ballpark figures there. After that, can you tap into buyers? Some people have said this to me before. Sam, I just want to dip my toes into the market. Can we use something from your side and do it that way? Yes, you can. If you want to trial run something, I'm most happy to do it. I'm most happy to actually support you guys and get that done. Just to see a cycle run. I've seen a lot of you are maybe a little bit hesitant. You're a little bit scared of maybe getting something done. So that's absolutely fine. No issues at all. You can do a trial run with myself. If it's within my capability, I'll happily do it for yourselves. Any possibility, many things that you can do here. The main thing is that you get a start. In my previous videos, I've already said that if you're sitting in the United Kingdom and you're getting bombarded with the taxis, I still don't know. And if you're running an online business, especially online business owners, if you have an online business and you're not conducting business from Dubai, it's beyond me. I'm struggling to put this together as to why you're not doing that. If anything, a bigger market exists here for you. So something to think about. So just a couple of things there to get you thinking when it comes to setting up businesses here in Dubai. The main thing is, the major hurdle that you have to get past is, think about your industry, sector you're getting set up in. It doesn't matter if it's small business, large business, it doesn't matter. Which sector are you in? Number two, do you have any buyers ready? Make those phone calls. Start making those phone calls today. Start sending those emails today. Thirdly, get your business set up done. If you need a little bit of support in that, I can do that. Most people contact me and say, hey Sam, want to get the business license set up, but I also need about 2-3 introductions. I'll happily do that. I have 15 years of connections in Dubai, all industries, government, private, you name it, I can get you a connection. So if you're interested to have a chat, my WhatsApp details are in the link in the description below. Click on it, let's have a discussion, let's see what we can do for you. And don't forget to like the video, share the video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you're notified of all my videos I'm publishing on a daily and weekly basis. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching.